Greetings, I'm Professor K, and in this short video presentation we're going to see how we can go about spoofing our browser so that we can download the multi-version edition of Windows 10, the ISO. The Windows 10 version that we need to download for our virtual lab environment is going to have to be one that is a Pro version and not an enterprise version. The enterprise version requires that you be a member of an organization, that you sign into a domain, and we don't have that luxury. Microsoft does make a multi-version edition of the ISO for Windows 10, but to get access to it, we're going to have to convince Microsoft that we are not on a Windows machine and we are not using a Chrome browser. So I've gone to the Microsoft download site for Windows 10. You can get this easily just by going into Google, typing in download ISO Windows 10, and it'll take you to this link. But this link does not provide us with access to the correct version of Windows 10. So what we're going to do here is go up to the three dots in our Chrome browser. We're going to click on that. We're going to go on down here to where it says More Tools, and we'll next click on Developer Tools. From here we're going to click on the three dots one more time. We're going to go down where it says More Tools, and in the next menu we're going to select Network Conditions. From there we're going to scroll on down to where we come to User Agent. We're going to uncheck this box that says Use Browser Default. We're then going to select how we want to be presented to the Microsoft people by spoofing our browser and saying that we are currently on a Mac machine and we are using Safari. Leaving the developer tools open, I'm going to go back on over here to the Microsoft download site. I'm going to hit F5. That's going to refresh. And now if I scroll down to where I can select an item, I am presented with the option to download the Windows 10 Multi-Edition ISO. That means that when I install this ISO, I will be given the option to select which version I want. I don't want Enterprise. I want Pro. I can go ahead and confirm. Now I have to select my language, confirm, and now I can download depending on what type of hardware I have. I download the 64-bit. I can now save this ISO to my download location, and it tells me that in approximately 20 minutes I will have the multi-version edition for Windows 10. And so in this short video presentation, you got to see how we can spoof our browser to convince Microsoft that we are using a different operating system and a different browser so that we can get access to the multi-edition version of Windows 10. You got any questions, you got any concerns, don't hesitate to reach out, contact your instructor, and I'll see you in my next video.